Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make body butter at home by Z. Start by melting your shea and cocoa gently over low heat and stirring until smooth. Cool the mixture until slightly opaque but still pourable, then add carrier oils and essential oils. Use a whisk or electric mixer to whip air into the blend until it holds soft peaks and feels fluffy on the fingertips. I will guide you through ingredient choices and basic ratios so your body butter performs well on skin. Start with a firm butter like shea as your base, then balance texture with softer oils to prevent greasiness. Measure precisely by weight to reproduce results and mix gently at cool temperatures to avoid separation. I'll also explain simple storage tips and how to test a small patch for sensitivity before full use. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more recipes. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with DIY self-care since both save and empower you. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick it up if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. This section shows stepwise whipping technique and scent customization to make your body butter sing. After combining melted ingredients and cooling to the right stage, whip slowly at first, then increase speed to incorporate air without overheating. Introduce essential oils or actives at cooler temperatures to preserve benefits and fragrance. Finally, perform a texture test and rechill if needed, aiming for a smooth, spreadable butter that melts on contact with skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.